My dear students, good morning to everybody. We have already taught atomic structure, gas state, periodic table, some topics of chemical bond. So, in this context, I would like to pose some questions before you, like quiz. You kindly answer it. Number one is, what is the shape of methane? Number one, what is the shape of methane? What is the shape of PCl5? What is the shape of XCF2? What is the shape of XCF6? What is the shape of ammonia? So I have asked first one, that is shapes. Number two is, what is the value of Boltzmann constant? What is the value of Boltzmann constant, which is most important for IP 2 marks question? Boltzmann constant. Number three, what is the value of Rydberg constant? What is the value of Rydberg constant? Number four, what is the value of Planck constant value? Planck constant. You know Planck constant E is equal to h nu. What is the value of h? I am asking you. What is the value of h in joules? In joules I am asking you. Number 6. What are the quantum numbers? I would like to ask you the names of the quantum numbers. Besides that, what is the significance of the quantum number? What are the quantum numbers? And what is the significance of the quantum numbers? Just you simply write the quantum numbers and the significance, that's enough. Next, what is periodicity? What is periodicity? How atomic size, IP, electronegativity, oxidation tendency, reduction tendency, how they vary in period and group. This question carries 8 marks, so you kindly note it and write it. We already discussed that question. The next question is, what are the postulates of the Bohr's atomic model? How you have justified this atomic model with hydrogen spectrum? What are the postulates of the Bohr's atomic model? How you justify this Bohr postulates according to using hydrogen spectrum? How you have drawn the hydrogen spectrum? How you have sketched the hydrogen spectrum according to postulates of the Bohr's atomic model? The next one is, what is Lewis acid and what is Lewis base? The next one is, what is hard water, what is soft water? What is the reason for hardness of the water? Next one is, what is the reason for the hardness of the water? The next one is, what is pH? What is pH? The another question is, what is conjugate acid base pair? What is conjugate acid base pair? The most important question, 2 marks question. What is diagonal relationship? Periodic table we have diagonal relationship. The next one is, how you have to draw the hybridization, that is sp3d, using you take the example of PCl5, phosphorus pentachloride. So sp3d hybridization you use and draw the phosphorus pentachloride. You know very well. You kindly note it and write it. The next one is, what is IP? What is IP? What is second IP? Why is second IP greater than first IP? What are the factors affect the IP? 8 marks question. 8 marks question. The most important question. So, quantum numbers. What are the quantum numbers? What are significance of the quantum numbers? The next one is postulates of the Bohr's atomic model and hydrogen spectrum. The next one is, what is IP? Why is second IP greater than first IP? What are the factors affect the IP? Next one is periodicity. How the periodic trends, that is atomic radius, IP, electronegativity, electropositivity, oxidation tendency, reduction tendency in vary group in period. The next one is, what is that? SPDF blacks. You know very well. If differentiating electrons enters into s orbital, okay, p orbital, you go through it. The next one is, your chemists are told what is borage. What is borage? What is the structure of borage? What is borage? What is the structure of borage? What is silicon carbide? What is silicon carbide? You note it. What is phosgene? What is phosgene? You kindly note it. What is phosgene? What is phosgene? What is caustic soda? What is caustic soda? What is the formula of plaster of Paris? What is the formula of plaster of Paris? What is borax? What is borax? What is the formula of borax? What is water glass? What is water glass? What I am telling you? Water gas? No. What is water glass? I am asking you. What is water glass? Why first A group elements are called alkali metals? Why first A group elements are called alkali metals? Okay. Why second A group elements are called alkaline earth metals? Why second A group elements are called alkaline earth metals? Okay. Okay. What is the use of calcium? What is the use of calcium? What is colgan? What is colgan? What is the formula of colgan? What is the formula of colgan? What is the use of colgan? What is colgan? What is the formula of colgan? What is the use of colgan? Kindly important. What are disproportionate reactions? What are disproportionate reactions? What is oxidation? What is reduction? What are disproportionate reactions? Most important one. You please note it. The next one is, in ionic bond, we have cation and cation, anion, cation and anion. What are the conditions favorable for the cation and anion? What are the conditions favorable for the formation of cation and anion? The next question is, what are Fajans rules? What are Fajans rules? So, till today, I have uploaded the questions what I have taught till today. You please watch this video, please note it, please write it. Definitely I am most confident, definitely you will be the winner. You will be the winner. You will be the first race. You will be the first position to crack 60 out of 60. I wish you all the best, my dear first student. Be dare enough to face the examination. Your Chandrasekhar sir, Matuku Malli, chemistry senior faculty, AP Tribal Welfare Resident Education Institution, prestigious institution that is being run by our reputed Gurukulam. Okay, I wish you all the best. Thank you. God bless you.